It is not when you wake up that you know where you are. It is only when the Mediterranean light wraps you with its warmth. It is not while walking on the sand that you realize where you find yourself. It is only when the turquoise waters reflect in your eyes, when you feel the breeze under the shade of a pine forest, when the sound of the swaying waves envelops your senses. Unless you have explored a village, it is impossible to understand such a place. Lose yourself in its hidden nooks. Admire the imperfections left by the aging nature. Let the testimony of the past captivate you. It is not until you come across a sea of white houses that you discover the essence of this place. Until such white purity hits you. Until the landscape fuses with the sunset. Only when you understand that what is natural is simple and beautiful, only when the Balearic Islands soak into you through all your senses, do you know exactly where you are.